There's urgent news being shared that ICE has launched an operation dubbed Freaky Friday that targets kids, specifically unaccompanied minors. And this isn't a rumor, this is information that's coming out of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, which I'm a member of, and it's the largest association of immigration lawyers. Now, the ICE operation is aimed at children ages 14 and up. AILA's report says it could also be aimed at children ages 10 and up. Now, these children that are being targeted entered the United States without a parent or guardian, and they're either in custody or they've been released to sponsors in the US. Now, according to AILA, kids who were detained but subsequently released may receive a threat letter from ICE. The letter is going to demand that they waive key legal protections, give up their relief in their cases, or face indefinite detention or immediate transfer when they quote-unquote age out. ICE will also be coercing children into paying them $2,500 if those children agree to return to their home country. If they refuse, they will be threatening the arrest of their parents or other guardians in the US. Both children still in custody and those who have been released are targets. The administration also anticipates legal challenges, but they're going to proceed with this anyway. So in short, instead of going after quote-unquote dangerous criminals, the administration is threatening children, coercing vulnerable kids to give up their rights through intimidation and coercion. And what's crazy is that these kids are supposed to be protected by the laws on our books. We have something called the Flores Settlement Agreement, the TVPRA, and even expanded protections from the Health and Human Services Organization. These laws are supposed to set the standards for humane treatment of unaccompanied children, as well as make sure they're screened for relief from going back to their countries. And they're required to be put in safe custody and given a fair process. So it's important to warn kids out of custody that they may get a letter, and also share know your rights information to people in this situation. Kids do not have to sign anything without talking to a lawyer. And if a child does get a letter, document everything. Was a lawyer present? Was the child able to ask questions? Was there evidence of coercion or intimidation? Documenting this may help litigators who challenge this practice ultimately in court. Please share this widely and follow us for more.